Okay, everyone, welcome back to this other part of our project that we're working on this card game. So right now we're going to work on level 5 and level 6. Actually, today is kind of a little rainy. There will be showers outside, but I'll try as much to speak louder so that everyone can hear me. And these loud showers are kind of distorting the sound. So right now, as you can see, my level 5 functions they have. My level 5 functions are a little bit different from the other level 1 to level 4 functions. As you can see, it's written level 5, computer turn, turn 5, card position, and most rank. So as you have you noticed there's turn 5, card pose, and then most rank. So which makes it a little bit different. The reason being, this function is a little bit different because it says here second round computer move. Computer picks a card from collection that has two most ranked groups. If first one is the same rank as this table top card, then player picks from second most rank. Let's say we have the most ranked there are clubs, right? We have clubs, and then the second most ranks we have spades, right? So which means those are the two most ranked groups, right? So if I pick a club which is the most ranked, then I find out that the club, this 10 of clubs, is the same as the top card. Then I have to pick from spades. So that's how I created this function. So first of all, we have to get the two most ranks inside our return list of two most ranks here. Most ranks gets a computer hand checks which are the most ranks, then it returns the two most ranks. So let's start with the most ranks so that we can go further to other functions. That way we can understand what's going on. So first of all, we say table card equals to table dot card, then spade count equals to sorry equals to 0. We have to count the spade, we have to count the hearts, we have to count the diamonds, etc. Spade count, club count, then go for club count equals to 0, heart count equals to 0. Then we go for diamond count equals to 0. Then we have also need another variable which is next card equals to none. Then we say if. Then we're going to check the cards inside. So for card, sorry, for card in player 2 dot cards, we're going to do if s in str card, then then spade count plus and equals to 1. Then elif c in str card, then club count less than equals to 1. Elif h in str card, then hard count less than equals to 1. And then Elif. There, I think now we only have diamond left, and then say else diamond count plus and equals to 1. Okay, that's it. So we'll be counting our spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds. So we count them, then we add those to our variables. And then let's continue. So which means all our variables, let me say ranks equals to, then we create a list of all of them. Spade, count, club, count, oh, club count, then hot count, and then diamond count. That's it. That's it. Then ranks dot sort. So which means if we sort our list, which means if spade count has the most, um, it goes to the end. If diamond count is the least, it goes to the first. So we're going to sort it, and then we're going to say rank equal to, then we're going to create our list. So if spade count equals to ranks -1, and then we're going to say rank dot insert. In position 0, we're going to insert S. Elif club count equals to ranks position -1. Then we're going to say rank dot insert 0 C. Elif heart count equals to ranks position -1. Then we're going to we're going to keep on doing this. Heart then equals to rank dot insert position 0. We're going to set our H. Oh, then go on Elif diamond count equals to ranks position -1, then rank dot insert at 0. We're going to insert D. So this rank list, we want to uh, insert in it or put in it the two most ranks. So first of all, we're going to check the first most rank, then we're going to check the second most rank. So here we're checking the first most rank, then we get it. And now we're going to check the second most rank. And if sped count equals to suit at position -2 and s not in suit. So, oh sorry, ranks. So we're checking if sped count is the same as ranks at position -2, and we also have to check inside here if we have a sped count already or if we don't have, because you don't want to have two sped counts, you know. Okay. Then we're going to say elif, then suit dot insert position 1 s elif club count equals to ranks position -2, then rank dot insert 1 club. Because the reason why we're doing this, sometimes we can also have two numbers, two ranks, maybe they are both 10-10. They might also create a little bit problem, because sometimes you might have two numbers in C not in rank. So you have to make sure that all precautions are taken, because some precautions you might part count equals to ranks let's make it to 2 and h not in rank, then rank dot insert at 1. We're going to insert heart. Going to insert heart, and then we continue. elif amount count equals to ranks position -2 and D not in rank, then insert. Because sometimes, let's say we have a spade and we have 10 spades and 10 clubs, and they're the most ranks. So at first it might insert spades, then again it might insert clubs at the position of spades. So which means we now have club. So we might need both uh, ranks in that. So in the second round, it might insert, let's say we just say if spade equals to -2, it might insert spade at -2. Then after that, it might insert clubs at -2. and then we have two same ranks inside our list. So we don't want that. We only want two different ranks. So we have to check first if it's the same, and also have to make sure that we don't have another spared rank inside our list. So here we say rank not in rank, and rank dot insert machine one. We're going to insert our diamonds. Our diamonds. And that's it. So after that, we're going to say return rank. So after creating our two modes, then we get return rank. So that's it for our rank. Then we're going on to our next function, which is card position. So what card position does is that it takes list of ranks and gets the position of the card to play. So we're going to call this function most rank, then throw the list inside rank, inside this card position, then it returns the position of the card that we have to play. The computer has to play. So we're going to work on our function. So card position, then we say table card equals to table dot card. We're getting the top card of our table. Then we say count equals to 0. Then counter equals to 0. We need two counts because we're going to create two loops, false, then founder equals to false. And then print rank. So before we print, yes, so as we call our function, we call this function create a list. Then after getting that list, we throw the list inside the card position function. So we also have to check and see our ranks that we get. So while count is not equals to layer 2 dot size and not found, then card equals to player dot card position count if rank. So I'm going to check on that card. If rank position 0 in card found equals to true, When checking each card, make sure that it has all dots. Else count plus and equals to 1. So I'm going to check each card if it has the same rank as the card we're looking for. Then if length of suit equals to 2, if length of rank, if length of rank, because sometimes maybe we only have one card left in hand and the computer only has one card left in hand. So if it's going to get most ranks, it's only going to get one rank. So you cannot just use this to check, or if so we're using this first to check if ranks were retained and we only have one rank, then we're not gonna check again, we're only going to work with that one rank. Otherwise we're going to check another rank and then play that card. While counter, we're using our other variable, our other count variable player, 2 dot size, and not founder their card equals to player dot card pause counter counter oh counter. Yes. Then if rank position -1 in card, then founder equals to true. Okay, that's it. Else counter plus and equals to 1. And then let's say if found and rank position 0 not in table dot card, then return count. So when the number, the position of the card, something's wrong here. If found and rank position 0 not in table dot card, return found. We have to make sure that our first rank we checked, this number position of that card is not in the card, or else we're going to play another card. Elif length length of rank equals to 2. Then if founder and rank position 1 not in table dot card, in table card, sorry, also I said card, why is that table card, that table card, this one, checking, comparing, return counter So let's say we have let's say we check if found, then we see that our table has only one rank, and that one rank as the same card as the tabletop card, then it won't retain count here. Then it will continue and then go and check, and then finds out, oh no, I don't get in here, then it will just go out. But we don't want that. We also want it to return this one if we check this one and it doesn't work. So what we're going to do is say else return count, because count is the only card that is in hand. So that's it for our card position. That's it for our card position. So now we're going to go on next to our turn. Most rank, turn, remove all the space. Okay, now we'll go on, move on to computer move. It receives table play and then card to play. So this one won't be that hard to create. Print table.name, table.name, table, and print player 2.name, player 2, new line, so that we can be able to see clearly. So now I have to close all these, all this, all this. So and say table card equals to table dot card. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but player card equals to player player 2 dot card pose card. Then if not table dot is empty, then if where card position -1 equals to table card position -1, we have to check, then print where sorry where 2 dot name played where card and it has same rank as table card and will eval all. So that's it, and we'll devour all. So we're going to devour all for I in range length of table.cards table.give table.cards position 0 to player 2. Then we're going to input, press enter to continue. Just like we did the last time. Player 2 dot give player 2 dot card to table, else player dot give player 2 dot card to table. So that's how it is. Something's not right because I'm seeing this, and I'm not supposed to see that. Okay. Then we're going to print table.name table print player2.name player2 vanilla. That's it. So I think that's it for our variable. Something's wrong. Something is definitely wrong. What is it? Where2.give, where2.calls to table, else input, where2.give, table.cards, where2. Everything seems to be okay. Okay. So that's it for our turn. Now we're going to computer turn 5, calling that turn function, and then we're going to create. So card equals to 0, suit equals to empty suit, then if player 2 dot size is greater than or equals to 2, then suit equals to must rank. I don't know why I keep on saying suit. Must rank, because I'm working with ranks. Table layer 2. And then we're going to set card equals to card pose table layer 2, and then rank. So now we have called our two functions, and then they return a rank. get the rank from our suit, then throw it inside card position, then you get our card position. So now we have a card position in hand. So if not player player 2 dot is empty. I don't even know why I'm calling this function empty. Then turn 5 table player 2 card. Okay, so that's it. Let's check. If not, well, yes. So that's it for. It's going to call this function, then throw it inside 1025. So then let's go into our level 5 and then we work on that. While our level 5 is going to work like the others. While table dot size is not equals to 52, then this is just the same as what we did. If not player 1 dot is empty, then human move to table player 1. If not player 2 dot is empty, then computer turn 5 table player 2. Then if not player 3 dot is empty, then computer turn 5 table player 3. If not player 4 dot is empty, then computer turn 5 table player 4. And that's it. We're going to save that. And then we're going to call it level 5. Level 5, and then level equals to 5, then level 5 table player 1 player 2 player 3 player 4. That's it. Okay, let's run our program. Let's see what happens. Level 5. Let's hope he won't spend a long time fixing bugs, just like last time. Okay, level 5. Okay, now we're at level 5. Now I only have 2 cards. Oh, wow. Position 0. Oh, what happened? That is so annoying. Save. Now we have to play a game. So, okay. It's also kind of cold today. 5. Edward. Okay. Table. Position 0. What a game. Diamond. Seems we really are going to spend a long time working on bugs. That is really, really annoying. Really annoying. We did fix it, now we have to save it. Five. Okay, card position 0. Oh! Where is this suit coming from? Oh, there. I seem as if we're going to spend a long time working on errors and stuff like that. Okay, let's check. Okay. Okay, card position 0. Wait, yeah, okay. Let's see. The card position 0, then I threw it down. Then here Nelson has the first most card is the spade, and the second most card is the diamond. So spade, let's see. Spade, diamond, spade with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spades. Then let's see diamonds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 diamonds, and then which means the others are less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which means you got hit by count. Then we have here we have David, the most clubs, followed by hearts. Clubs 1, 2, 3, then hearts 1, 2, 3. Just like I said, guys. 3 hearts, 3 diamonds, then same clubs, diamonds, clubs, diamonds. So now here with Sam, the most is the clubs, right? As you can see, but the card on top is 6 of clubs, so which means Sam cannot play the most card, which is 6. So he's going to have to play diamond. So instead he plays a 10 of diamonds. So as you can see, it seems my game is working quite well. And then goes on and on. Because after I played, mine was finished, then goes on until it's all over. So which means it's working perfect. So the players will be playing carefully. It's like the game is this game is being more careful, me being more cautious. Like I have to check, okay, which card do I have that I the most, you know. Then I have to keep on playing those. Then next I have to play the most because I cannot have just play at random because I might end up having 5 diamonds. In the end of the day, I might lose the game while I have 5 chances of losing, you know, of devouring all the cards. So it seems as if our level 5 is working quite well. Then that brings us to our level 6. So that is going to take us to our level 6 of the game. So now we are done with the other levels. So now we're going on to our last level that we're going to create. This last level is a little bit more complicated and harder to play. Harder to play because, okay, I'm going to explain it to you guys. What's going on here? Oh, there. I don't know what happened. What's going on here? No, don't save. What's going on here? Level 4. Return to move. Oh, I see. Four. What happened to my level 4? Level. I think I did something. Here. Level 4 game play. And play. And while. Let me just copy someone else level. This level. Like right here. Control C. Control V. And we're going to change that to computer 4. Computer 4. 24. 1, 2, 3. So that's it. Let's check. Okay, seems everything is working quite well. So far, so good. Seems I've written 385 lines of code. Let me just save that. Now we're going to move on to level 6 of our game. So see you on the next video.